Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here in ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And a correction, it's sing about Hakka today. 下个月就是农历新年了，有没有什么歌谣 Is there any songs out there that are related to Chinese New Year's?
有，
应该有的哈。
那我今天教这个叫做新年夜，就是
新年的什么有
新年谣啊，
有谣啊！哎呀，这么简单的 title 啊，就是 New Year song 就对了。
对。
Okay, so this is a Hakka New Year song. 好，我们听听看。
好，年都初二，十神八奶奶；年都初三四，年下來去；年都初五六，有酒有毛肉；年都初七八。家家樂做白，年都初十邊，一口同弦班；年都十五六，食了生意肉，講一講，吐個吐。
我听得出来，你在念这个什么年初二、年初三、年初四，一直到这个初10之类的哈。
对。
但是我一直卡在那个第一句啊，那后面什么奶奶啊？
不是奶奶啦。
有啊，你说奶奶啊，要不然你再念一次。
那个奶不一样。
再念一次。
年都初二，是神把奶奶。
要把奶奶 ？Oh my goodness! All right, it sounds like something so different that I don't even want to explain it on the air. But of course, this song right here is describing what to do on the second day of New Year's, on the third day, on the fourth day, etc., etc. 所以
奶奶这两个字是中文是
就腻，很腻的意思
啊，就吃到很腻。
对，
吃很多，
因为东西很多嘛，过年嘛。
Oh, okay. 奶奶 actually means that you've eaten to a degree where you feel so full and abundant. All right. Okay, 这也对了。第二天年初二就吃得很饱了，然后再来，你好像初五、初六的时候好像有什么东西在
有酒有某牛，前面吃差不多了嘛，所以到初五的时候呢，大家就是酒还蛮多的，但是肉呢可能就比较少了。
At the middle of the song, when they're describing what to do on the 5th and 6th day of Chinese New Year, they describe how there's no more food around the house, but there's still a lot of drinks. All right. 然後最後呢
，15、16過完元宵節之後呢，就開始要恢復正常的上班工作。
沒錯。
所以就是講一講，偷一偷，就是耕種的耕種，上學的上學，念書的念書。
Okay, that's a very good wrap up on the 15th and 16th day of Chinese New Year, which, by the way, is Lantern Festival, and it also marks the end of Chinese New Year. It is time to go back to work, go back to the farm, and also go back to your studies. And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.